Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. This week I'm going to show you how I used marshmallows to make the spider web effect on the side of a cake. To start off this cake, I'm going to take my cake layers and crumb coat them. These layers are funfetti and I'm using a cream cheese buttercream and it has a little bit of lemon flavor in it as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add the final layer of buttercream, put that in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna do the marshmallow spider webs. So I took a whole package of marshmallows and melted them down in the microwave for 2 minutes, and it is pretty warm still, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes until I can actually touch it, and then I'm going to just use my fingers and kind of put the marshmallow over the cake so it kind of looks like spider webs. I'd recommend only using half a bag or maybe even quarter of a bag if you're going to use a 6-inch round cake like I did, because I didn't use all of it. So now I'm just going to use some more purple buttercream around the top, and I have some birthday cake Oreos to put around as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday. Thanks for watching.